mwenyufu nnyo olw'okutuwa tractor. Tubadde tukozesa nte. Ente tesobola kulima eka emu olunaku ate nga ziri mu bbeeyi. Nga tufuna okulimbwalimbibwa ne tulima eby'oluvannyuma. Ate buli lw'olima eky'oluvannyuma tofuna bulungi. Nkimanyi nti egenda kutwongerako kinene nnyo okusinziira mu mbeera gye tubaddemu.
Mainly we have got manpower in cultivating large piece of land because we have been lacking manpower. Mainly we use just oxen and our hands to cultivate. So with the support of the government that we have got the tractor, we are going to increase on our production.
Tweyanziza nnyo gavumenti yaffe, ne tweyanza aba microfinance, ne tweyanza n'aba engineering solution okubeera ne tractors ennungi bwe ziti.
Today we handed over 275 horsepower tractors with a number of implements. All the products that have been handed over are brand new, and the beneficiaries are the first owners of these products in the world. The products come with 2 years of free service and 1 year of warranty. We're also going to train the operators and do the installations at the customer farms. For the last 10 years, we've recorded a lot of achievement with the Microfinance Support Center, and many of our farmers are increasingly becoming productive and producing more, earning more at the end of it all. I appeal to Ugandans to approach the Microfinance Support Center and access the facilities in form of the funds that are being provided by government. Microfinance Support Center is proof that government, through selected agencies, can be successful at doing business, and we are proud of our partnership. Thank you so much.